Fraction review. Whenever you add or subtract fractions, the important thing is that you have same size slices. So let's talk about what that means. If you have 1/2 and you add 1/3. So talking pizzas, if you have half a pizza and this other guy has 1/3 of a pizza, this guy is going to get mad because his piece of pizza is smaller than the other guy. So you need to cut the pizza into the same size slices so that everybody's getting the same size instead of like your bigger slices and smaller slices. So let's take this and every slice, let's cut it into 3. So now you have 3/6. You have 1, 2, 3 slices. And each of these, let's cut it in half. So now you have 2/6. And so this guy can say, let's look at our 6th. We went a little crazy with this line. So now this guy can say our slices are the same size. Once you have that, then you can say how many do you have? You have 3 slices here and 2 slices here for a total of 5 slices cut into size 6. So the bottom number tells you how many cuts, and the top number tells you how many. Let's take that and talk about 2/9 and 5/12. We need the same size slices. We need the same number in our denominator. So we're going to see what goes into 9 and what can 9 go into and 12 go into evenly. So 9, we have 9, 18, 27, 36. 36 is the first number that both 9 and 12 go into. Now we have same size slices added together. Well, if I take this 2/9 and I multiply the top and the bottom by 4, I would end up with 8/36. For 5/12, 2 times 3 is 36, and whenever you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator. The reason is 3/3 is equal to 1, and you're allowed to multiply anything you want by 1. So now you have 15/36. So the size is 36. How many? You have 8 and you have 15 for a total of 23/36. Subtracting works the same. We're just counting how many. But before it makes sense to count how many, it's important that everything's the same size. So between fifths and thirds, let's go by 5s. 5, 10, 15. 15 is the first number that both 5 and 3 divide evenly into. So that's going to be the size of our slices, the number of our denominator. 15. 5 times 3 gives us 15, and whatever you do to the denominator, you must do to the numerator, because 3/3 is 1. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9/15 is the same as 3/3. Here you have 1/3 times a 5ths. 3 times 3 is 3 times 5 is 15. So you have 5/15. Now you're ready to subtract for a total of 4/15. When you look at this fraction, if you could reduce it, you would, but in this case, the fraction doesn't reduce.